Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a button with a form in Squarespace. In a few minutes, you'll turn a regular form into a clean button that opens the form in a pop-up, keeping your page uncluttered and focused. Start by opening your Squarespace site dashboard. From the main sidebar, choose Website to enter the area where you manage your site's content. Next, go to Pages. This is where all your site's pages live and where we'll place the form. From the list of pages, select the sample page, or the page where you want the button and form to appear. With the page open, click Edit to enter the page editor. You should now see editable sections and insert points on the canvas. Hover where you'd like the button to live and choose Add Block. The block library will appear. Search for and select Form. Squarespace will drop a new form block on the page. Right away, click Edit on that form block to open its settings. This is where you control the form's behavior and appearance. Inside the form settings, navigate to the Design tab. The Content tab handles fields and storage, but for turning the form into a button-triggered pop-up, Design is the key. Scroll through the options until you find the lightbox setting and toggle it on. Enabling the lightbox tells Squarespace to hide the inline form and replace it with a button. When site visitors click that button, the full form will open in a focused overlay, which is great for conversions and keeping layouts tidy. On most templates, the button automatically inherits your site's fonts, colors, and corner styles, so it looks consistent without extra styling. The form itself doesn't change. It simply opens in the pop-up, reducing page length and keeping attention on the task of submitting information. Take a moment here to glance at the preview in the editor so you can see where the button sits relative to your content. If you're happy with the placement, click Save to apply your changes. Squarespace will update the page and store the new design. For best results, place it near supporting text that explains what visitors will receive after submitting. That's it. You've opened your site, navigated to Website, gone into Pages, selected your page, entered Edit, added a form block, opened its edit panel, switched to Design, turned on the lightbox toggle, and saved. The result is a streamlined button that launches your form in a modal window, giving visitors a focused experience without overwhelming the page. Thanks for following along. You now know how to create a button with a form in Squarespace quickly and confidently.